In a world where artificial intelligence is evolving at an astonishing pace, the real challenge is no longer the availability of tools, but choosing the right tool for each task. Today, I will introduce you to a platform that brings together the most popular AI models in one place and allows you to use them with complete ease. This platform is GlobalGPT. Instead of creating multiple accounts or navigating between different websites, a single platform gives you access to powerful models such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and many others. When you enter the site and log in, you will find the exploration interface. Interface presents the most popular models and widely used tools in a well-organized layout, making it easy to select the right tool quickly. You can simply browse different categories and choose what you want to use immediately, without complicated setup. Let's start by testing a conversational model. I will type a complex question or a request to generate content. Within moments, you will receive a detailed and accurate response that can be used directly for work, study, or content creation. These models can write articles, summarize information, generate ideas, and even assist with programming. Now let's try generating an image. I will enter a simple description of the image I want. Once the request is processed, the model creates a high-quality image based solely on the text description. This feature can be used to create visuals for content, designs, advertisements, or even projects. The most exciting feature is the ability to generate videos using artificial intelligence. After entering an idea or description, the system begins producing a short video clip that reflects the requested content. This tool is especially useful for content creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to produce videos quickly without complex software. In addition, the platform offers a recommendations section that helps you discover new tools and models popular among users. This makes the exploration process easier, especially if you are not sure where to start. The platform provides multiple usage options, whether pay-as-you-go or subscription-based, giving you greater flexibility according to your needs. You can also log in easily using email, a Google account, or a MetaMask wallet. The platform is available to users worldwide and supports multiple payment methods, including cryptocurrencies, with a strong focus on protecting user data. If you are a content creator, developer, or simply interested in exploring the power of AI, this platform offers a complete environment to accomplish your tasks efficiently. To visit the official website, you will find the link in the video description, as well as in the first pinned comment. Try it yourself, and discover how artificial intelligence can save you time and effort. See you in the next video.